Okay, so for the vlog today, I will show you an application. Actually, it is an extension which installed on your browser, and basically it's help you to correct your writing automatically, of course. So you can see here is the interface, but first I will show you how to install it. So currently I'm using Windows Edge, which is the browser comes along with Windows. So right here you see the three dot here. You can basically go to extensions. Okay, so they will show all the extensions that help that have in your laptop. But because let's say if you haven't installed it, right here you can search it. Okay, so the app name Grammarly. Okay, and because I have already installed it, so it will show right here. But basically, if you haven't installed it yet, you go to extension for Microsoft Edge, and right here you can browse it. And I will type Grammarly again. I will show an app. Okay, so this one is not. Okay, so the one with the green color is the official one. So you should install it. So once you install it, you should register for an account first. Okay, so let me, if I have, if I sign out from it, okay, if I go to my account and sign out from it, okay, I will log out here. So I will show you the process on how to register for an account first, because it needs an account to work. So right here, if you don't have an account, they would have the little button say sign up here. Okay, so my advice here is you can just sign up with your Google account or the Facebook, because you don't have to remember the password, and it just automatically lock you in whenever you go into the app. Okay, so because I have already registered for one and it has already remembered my account, so I don't have to sign up, but instead I log it in. Okay, so I will log in. Okay, so just wait a moment for it to load. So you can see here the main screen, or I call it the hub of the app. Alright, so there are two parts actually, because it is an auto correction app which help you to identify the mistake and recorrect it. So whenever you write something, okay, so if I want to write something here in English, if I have to write, okay, so it is quite slow. Well, I will demonstrate on a more rapid app because maybe my laptop is kind of slow. So if you go to google.com, well, so to just to write anything. Okay, so turn it on. Okay, so we already know that for Google itself have the auto corrections come with it. However, when you write something with, this is just suck, isn't it? Doesn't work. Okay, so okay, so I will do it later on. But what I want to show here is the main app. Okay, so the main hub here, it helps a lot with your writing. So whenever you want to write something, instead of writing directly to your, let's say, document creator, You may have to write first here. So I will show you some, let's say, example, okay, with a lot of mistake, of course. You see here. Okay, so what's special about it is not only does it identify the mistake, highlighted it, but it also shows you what areas of grammar or spelling that you might violate it. You might violate, okay? And right here, you see, if I click onto the word rows here, and yeah, it is the grammar mistake, and it shows you right here. And the suggestion is Article A might not be required with the plural nouns, of course, because they a Russo, so it has to be a Russo row, right? And let's say here, okay, so it's identify. This basically you can count it as spelling or grammar also, because in terms of spelling, um, it is intelligence, and you know, like artificial intelligence. It has to be a noun. It can't be an adjective, like a student have written. Sorry, things like that, and you can see like suggestion with changes, and they show specifically what mistakes that you make. And there's variety of options that you can do with this specifically. So you see here, okay, you have your preferred languages, because sometimes people write in American English, but some of them may say may write in British English. There's certain O or U or the words like censure being written differently in two languages. So you have to put your preferred languages. Okay, so other things say you see right here the assistant. Okay, the assistant, they have like correctness, quality, engagement, deliver. So with this one I really can go with some modifications with my goals. So before you write something, you know, you have your expected audience. Are they general knowledgeable or experts? Because according to each of the audience, they have different criteria in terms of how you construct your essay. Formality, also the kind that you can adjust here. Are they informal, neutral, or formal? Okay, so you can adjust by just click on it. The domain is like your field of writing. So academic, business, general, email, casual, or creative. Creative is for like storytelling, writing, things like if you write some kind of, let's say, um, fantasy story, things like that, then you see you put on creative. Okay, your tone means your attitude toward your writing, confident, joyful, angers, optimistic, respectful, things like that. Intent. Okay, so intent is like, are you going to destroy something? So I put convince here. It's like if you write opinion or essay, then you should switch into convince, because there's certain phrases and languages that may be more effective when you use in terms of convincing writing. Okay. So that's it for today, and I just want to highlight that is the function that I found useful on Grammarly, and I just want to introduce to you, so you can maybe use it and improve your writing, or at least you would occasionally use it for your writing without a teacher to correct it.